back in the room. So, oh dear. Jump into the... I don't need images on at the moment. Let's do plus, plus. Right, so from there... What? Blender? Why is Blender trying to go outside? Eh? Alright, we'll put the black plastic. It's more of a rubber really, isn't it? So, anyway, so then we need to go two. Oop, missed. And do Control Plus and chuck the chrome on there. Back into Subdi. See how much it's ruined it there. I know you can see pretty much a lot of edges there, but once the Subdi is knocked up, see it's going to take it away. Plus, it's going to be rather faceted anyway, isn't it? Once it exports, you can be able to see that from a distance. Once it prints, lovely. Drop it back to, I think that rubber looks too much at the top. So, silver a sec. Here. What should we do? Let's get on there. Think what? Good. Grab them and to there. It's from there. What does that do at the top of the bonnet? Looks just rounded there, doesn't it? So I'm gonna guess it's rounded at the top. Oh, wipers! Aye, wipers. Click on the right one. Come on, you muppet. There we go. So what I was trying to say was, in theory, just slide them over there. Slide them over there. Oh, come on, hit your bloody movement. Right, merge them. Just to see if it creates any funkiness. Nope. Right, so for them, DJ or merge distance. Hopefully, 0.11 there. Yes, 11, right. Okay. Just looking at this Chrome piece here. WGG, slide it down, just so it's more inside as opposed to over the top. Just slide it out a bit. Right, I believe that was the right one. Right. Yeah. Now the joyous part. do the interior. Edge. I'll tell you what. Over here, let's just make sure that string off doesn't break anything. Okay, it does, doesn't it? See that line there. I can see that. Keep an eye on that. There we go. Sweet. 5 minutes. Right, so just disable these two. I'll do that one also. And we've got a logo view. Right, so now we need to create the interior. Our walls. I'm gonna call them walls. If that's the right word or not, I don't care. So see, I'm gonna shot inside, yeah. Oh, here's one. Right, so the window rubber, I guess, comes in, and then that comes out around and then down. So we'll do the yellow part first, and then we'll put in the door parts. Or at least I will. So this, yeah, we can just take that there, and then we do a medium. Do it extrude and scale. And then just do a scale Z, because it never seems to do. It'll either do it just Z more than every other direction, or this occasion it's gone the opposite direction. Right, so is that going to create a lip though if we take it back? Scale it a little bit and then come back out and create that. Right, that sounds like a plan. Right, so we go extrude. There's the green line, so oh, well, there's the cursor. Extrude X, just a little bit. Scale. We're going to shift to slow down. Extrude X again, but back the opposite direction. You want to do the same with this bit, don't we? Simple. Go extrude X again. Images, this should be the doors. There they are. Right. Right, so that's the chrome bit. So if we could do this rather than the chrome bit. And rotate that image again. Right, so yeah, that. That's the thickness of the chrome, and do extrude Z again. And if we extrude there, delete vert, and then keep forgetting to say that. So, oops. Need to get rid of them two also. 1, 2, that. Get rid of that. Names that 10 minutes. Just add this to the previous one. So Z. So that's the Chrome bit. And then we add that same as that side. Put that on active. We can now go to extrude and snap to that. Or merge distance over 2. Nice. Right, so just to keep it right, let's add, come on, zoom in. Make sure that's Chrome. It is. This bit though needs to be body color. Paint. Just go on the cramp. That's good. Ouch. This one not supposed to be. Oh, it's selected. You could do. I knew you'd do that. Just do that. Plus. This, I believe, is the rubber. The grommet. It's not really a grommet, is it? It's too big. That's still called black plastic, but it's more of a rubber material. Not that it matters for the print. Okay. Should that be also? No, that's just where the window goes, and that's okay. Right. Missed it again. There we go. Tell you what, quick Control S there again. I'll catch you in the next one.